And it's the fourth wave of the coronavirus that's a cause for great concern in Japan. There are reports of growing number of people losing their lives at home due to COVID-19. Doctors in Japan are reporting that this fourth wave is more infectious than all the earlier waves, and hospital resources in certain prefectures are stretched to the limit. In Japan, there are questions that are being raised about whether Japan will be ready in time health-wise for the Olympic Games 10 weeks from now. Also, a cause for serious concern remains the pace of vaccination. Now, initial reports that are coming out are from the Osaka prefecture, and this report shows that because of COVID-19 cases, hospital beds, there's a paucity of hospital beds. More than 96% beds in the critical care unit are already occupied. And there are reports that indicate that cancer patients and heart patients are being sent home. The situation is so grim in some localities that doctors are being told that doctors will have to visit patients at home because there is no place in hospitals in parts of Japan. I quickly want to cut across to Tokyo and bring in India Today's Poulomi Burman for more. Poulomi, what more can you tell us about the situation on ground in Japan?
The situation is definitely not good in Japan. The number of cases have been rising since December last year. And a state of emergency was in fact imposed in December 2020, which lasted till March 2021. And the moment the emergency was uplifted, when the cases started coming down, the cases started rising once again in April. And in the last week of April, the government reimposed the state of emergency once again, which is a stricter one this time. Almost all malls and shops are mostly shut. There's a time restrictions on those essential services that are still open. Keeping in mind the Tokyo Olympics, I think this adverse step has been taken.
Okay. There are reports in Osaka prefecture that people are losing their lives at home, and there is, medical facilities are stretched to the limit. What more can you tell us about that and the preparations for the Olympic Games just about 10 weeks away?
With the increasing number of cases in Japan, one thing that has been noticed is the UK variant that is spreading faster among people and is more contagious. And the situation is more dire in Osaka, where the medical facility has been crippled by the rising number of cases. And this has led to people being treated at home and not getting a bed in the hospital. And in some cases, people are even dying at home. In a country like Japan, this is almost unexpected.
It indeed is, and is a cause for serious concern. Poulomi, for the moment, many thanks for joining me.